For Saturday, May 24th, 2025. Severe thunderstorm watch issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of southern and central Arkansas, southeast Oklahoma, and far northeast Texas. A cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms across southeast Oklahoma will likely continue east-southeastward across the region into the afternoon. Large to very large hail up to 2 inches in diameter, along with severe damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour will be the primary threats, although a tornado or two cannot be ruled out.